In this video, you'll learn how to build a REST API using Claude Code. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional API set up and running on your local machine. Start by opening PowerShell or your terminal application, navigate to your project folder, or create a new one by typing mcod or myap and pressing enter. This command creates a directory named myap. After that, change into the new directory with the command needy myap. You should now see your terminal prompt indicating you are inside the myap folder. Next, initialize Claude Code by entering Claude init in the terminal. This command sets up your project environment, allowing Claude Code to manage it effectively. After executing this command, you should see a confirmation message indicating the initialization process is complete. Now, you will generate a REST API skeleton. To do this, type Claude generate API-language Python-framework for SAPI. This command creates a ready-to-run API structure using Python and the Fast API framework. Once the generation is complete, you will notice a message that confirms the API skeleton has been created successfully. After generating the skeleton, it is time to run the API. Enter Claude run in your terminal and press enter. This command starts the server, and you will see output in the terminal that includes a URL, typically displayed as http://127.001.8000. This URL indicates where your API is now accessible. To test the API, open your web browser or use curl in your terminal. If using curl, type curl http://127.001.8cop/ and press enter. You should receive a JSON response from the API confirming that it is operational. If you encounter any issues, ensure that the server is running and that you are using the correct URL. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.